Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these cute little version of the design that I did yesterday. So we've got some little chocolate covered strawberries that I'm going to show you how to paint. So first up, you want to start with a pink base. I am using a color from Salon Perfect called Good Vibes Only. It's a really nice pink, but it does dry down to a matte finish, just, so you guys know. But now I'm going in with red acrylic paint, and I'm kind of creating triangle-like shapes but with very rounded corners because this is the base of our strawberry. The tops, what you're going to make the top of your strawberry doesn't have to be perfect because that is where you're going to put the green on to like be your leaves, so you don't have to worry about like precise lines or anything. But I'm just going to scatter this throughout the whole nail, and I don't really know what I averaged per nail. Maybe 4 or 5, and I want some to go off the edge. And you could totally do this on all of your nails for like a full complete pattern look, but this time I decided to just go with one since we had like a major strawberry look yesterday. And that is it for this part. Next up, I'm going in with yellow acrylic paint, and I'm just putting in the little parts of the strawberry, just little dots here and there. I did not even do the same pattern that I did yesterday because we don't have much surface area for this design, but that really kind of completes the strawberry look in my opinion. So you're just gonna repeat this step on all of your strawberries until you are happy with it. After that, you can go in with what I used actually was like a grass green, but any sort of green will work, and you want to put in your strawberry leaves at the very top of each strawberry. After that is done, it is time to go and dip your strawberries in chocolate by painting the bottom half of your strawberry in brown. Now, once your design is all dry, it is time to put on your choice of top coat. I decided to go with a shiny one today. I'm using the Vibrant Vinyls. What is it called? Fast and Hard Quick Dry Glossy Top Coat, which I've been loving. I mentioned this in another recent video, so I will link that in the description box below if you guys want to go check it out. She has like a bazillion scent options. This is an exclusive one called Stupid Cupid from the January Polish Pickup, and I love it. But you could totally use matte here and it would look just as great. So that is it for this design. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and here's your final look overall. I decided to go with the glittery accent nail, and I'm just really happy with how this all came together. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and be sure to come back tomorrow because we are doing kind of another fruity like Valentine manicure, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So that's it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!